Hi there, welcome to this channel. My name is Beam. In this video, I'm going to help you save $36 a year from your Payoneer account. So, if you are especially a Payoneer MasterCard holder, then you should definitely consider watching this video till the very end so that you will be able to save $36 a year. So, shall we commence? Okay, let's get started. As we all know, Payoneer has been deducting $3 per month as a maintenance fee. It is actually quite a lot when it comes to the freelancers just like us and those who have low transactions from their accounts. So want to save $3 per month? Of course, everybody wants to save, right? And that's what I'm going to share with you. And if you want to know more about the maintenance fee, then just get down to the description box where there is a link. You can just click on it and you can read more about the Payoneer maintenance fee. So, you ready?
But before sharing the tips with you, I would like to share some of my experiences before I actually discovered a way. So I used to lose $3 every month just for a maintenance fee. And I was totally unsatisfied with it because I was losing $3 just for nothing. And just wanted to make $36 by saving $3 per month. And I did some research and finally found some ways. So that was a huge achievement for me. And these are my secret tips for you. Number one, no balance. Number two, more transactions. And number three, transferring the fund. Number one, Penny says if there is no any balance left over in your account from the account which you have your physical MasterCard, then there will be no any maintenance fee charged for you. So this means there shouldn't be any amount so that there will be no any maintenance fee per month. Number two, more transactions. Penny also says that if you do more transactions within a month, then there will be no any charge for maintenance fee. And the final one is transferring the fund. So I have discovered this one and this has been my best of all. So what I mean here is if you have some amount left over in your US account, which you have your physical Payoneer MasterCard, then what I suggest you is just transfer that amount to your let's say Singapore dollar account or maybe Japanese account so that you'll be able to save $3 per month. But there will be some conversion fees charged, but it's not as expensive as paying $3 just for the maintenance fee per month. So that will be quite expensive. And in case if you want to spend some amount by your MasterCard, then you can just convert the amount back to your account and spend it. But I assure you that will be not as expensive as just wasting $3 per month just for the maintenance fee. So these were my secret tips, and you try applying any one of these secret tips and I assure you, I guarantee you, you will be able to save more than $36 a year. So that will work 100%. I hope you found this video useful and just try to apply any one of the tips. Especially I recommend you to use the number 3 trick because that will work for 100% sure. And if you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to comment, and also make sure to share with your friend. So all the best, and yeah, finally, just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.